We told you yesterday that Yellowstone County could be headed toward even tighter restrictions if cases continue to climb for the month of October. That would mean even fewer people allowed into restaurants, bars, and places of worship. County restaurants have been operating at 75% capacity since June 1st, but that percentage could shift down to only 25% at the end of the month if the positivity rate rises above 40 per 100,000. Q2's Mitch Legge brings us reaction from two local restaurants.
In Billings, restaurant owners are feeling uncertainty at the prospect of having to shift back down to 25% of their total capacity if COVID-19 cases don't slow down by October 31st. If the rate of infection per week rises above 40%, Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton said more restrictions would be put in place, including reduced capacity at restaurants, bars, and casinos, with bars forced to close at 10 p.m. At the 406 Kitchen and Tap Room, management is scared about what could be down the road. Managers said the 406 just isn't viable as a business at 25% capacity and would have to supplement its business with takeout orders, similar to what happened with the first shutdown earlier in the year. The story is much the same at Montana Brewing Company, a restaurant that staffs 100 employees. Both of the local restaurants got help earlier in the year from the federal Paycheck Protection Program loans. Those loans won't be available if the county-wide restrictions are put in place at the end of October.
I've tried to fill out all the grants that have been offered and just cross your fingers and hope for the best. Unfortunately, like we just got to all do our part. As I said, I've got 50 employees I have to think about,
That federal program helped a ton, but now as we move forward into this, all that's gone. If we go down to 25%, that's going to be a gigantic impact. And it's not just for us, it's for all the restaurants, all the businesses, churches are also on this deal where they have to reduce to 25%. So there's a big county-wide impact.
Both restaurant managers urged the community to wear their masks, keep their distance, and wash their hands frequently so the restaurants can stay open and their staff members employed. In Billings, Mitch Legge, MTN News.
Thanks, Mitch. And Sean Graves with the Montana Brewing Company added that he's pleased there is about 3 weeks notice before any restrictions would take effect compared to March, where there was only a few days noticed.